I'm making some slime. You see, I like playing with it. You see it? I like playing with it. And now I'm gonna show you how I make this. You see, you have a bowl, then you get some wash powder, then you get sugar. See, it says sugar. Then you put up in there. Put the dish soap up in there. Then you get the sugar.
It's a big jar, so.
And then you pour some sugar in there. Right there, like almost 50 grams.
Oil, that's what I need. Oil.
Yeah, you can make Google oil.
I need some oil.
Like, what this is like?
And get out my video. Okay, now you see that. Now you just mix it up. Just mix it up real good. You mix it up for about like 30 or 40 seconds. Mix it up for 30 seconds. Right? And then it'll get like that. And then you see, it's slime. Put it in there. Mix it up. Mix it up.
So you guys, after that you mix it up. So you still in the video.
See, you mix it up. Keep stirring. You keep mixing it. Then it finally comes to slime. Hope, comment down below. Hope I get some subscribers. Like it and subscribe it down below. Comment down below. Comment down below if it didn't work.